Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for inquiring on this beautiful 2016 Tucson SE. Follow me, let me show you some features. Initially, you see here in the front, we have LED wrapped headlamps. All right, step around to the wheels. We have 14-inch alloy wheels right here. Light gray cloth interiors. 6-inch touchscreen display, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android AutoPlay, Bluetooth hands-free controls, dual driving modes, and all of these features are available here at Tameron Hyundai. My name is Bell. You can reach me at 334-435-9366. And here at Tameron, you love the way you're treated.